Hello composers, Mike here, and in this video I'm going to show you the amazing Varispeed feature in Logic Pro X. So let's dive in right now. Now Varispeed is one of my personal favorite features in Logic Pro X because I love to record my parts with my MIDI keyboard, but sometimes the tempo is just too high to be able to record it properly without having to do a gazillion of takes. So let's say you have a track like this is just an example, and it's very fast, 180 BPM, it sounds like this. So now if I want to record an ostinato on this, like something like that, it will be pretty hard to do in this tempo. You might get away with it if it's simple, but the thing I like to use is the Varispeed function. So what does Varispeed do? Well, if you add it here, customize control bar, and then choose, where is it, Varispeed, it will show up right here. And now it sets speed only, because the thing Varispeed does, it temporarily changes the tempo, overall tempo of your track, so you can record at a lower tempo and then you can go back without having to make it change here in the overall BPM. You might have automation on your tempo track and so on. So first you need to make sure that you have it available by clicking the Varispeed box there, and then you simply click the minus plus here, and now you will see it says speed only. Then you get to choose how much you want the BPM to change when you activate this feature. So let's say I will do this drastically by reducing it to 50%. It will sound like crap, the other instruments playing, but it will be much easier to record. Personally, I usually have these at minus 25% or so, but just for demonstration purposes, I will have it like so. And now listen. That's before, with Varispeed. And as you heard, it sounds like crap because it does this in real time. However, compare trying to record this in... Oh, lots of mistakes. I did that on purpose, by the way. So when you activate this, it reduces the speed to only 50%, as I have set here. And that basically makes the tempo 90 instead of 180. So let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super simple, right? And yep, it's cheating a bit, but you have to do that as a composer to make your ideas come alive. And now, when I deactivate it, it goes back to the original tempo, and I have this perfect performance now. Super valuable for your workflow, since I had to record this in one take instead of spending lots of time doing several takes, going into the editor and changing and quantizing all that stuff, when this was the idea I wanted to come across in my composition. So that's how you use Varispeed. Control bar, customize, add it here. To activate it up here on the minus plus sign, choose speed only, because you only want to affect the speed of the song, and then reduce this to as much as you like, so you don't have to go all the way to 50%, which sounds crappy like crap, but it doesn't really matter, because you at least get to make your performance, then go back. So it sounds super crappy, and then when you go back, it sounds good. Right, so try this out for yourself. Varispeed in Logic Pro X. It is awesome. Subscribe now and watch a lot more videos on composing music, producing music, sound design, Logic Pro X, and much more. I'll see you in the next video, my friends.